real love.
Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be another Sunday reset. Today what's on the agenda is getting this pantry cleaned out. I planned on doing it last week and then I think time got away from me and so I never got to it. So it is a mess, but guess what? We're going to organize this pantry for free. I did not buy any organizers or labels or anything. Like at some point I'm going to do a really cute Pinterest pantry, but that is not today. For right now, I just want to get it cleaned up and just at least organized so I can see everything. I can see the floor. We can step in there and move. So yes, that is what I'm going to do. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. I'm slowly but surely working my way up to 1,000 subs. So I would absolutely love to have you on my channel. All right, let me show you what I'm working with. Also, I'm putting a timer on over here because I want to get this done in 1 hour. So, not sure if I'm going to make it, but I'm certainly going to try.
I'm on a high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing.
All right, time to make some iced coffee. Oops. Isn't this cup super cute? I got it from Walmart. It's by the Pioneer Woman. Hopefully this is good. Let's see. Yeah, delicious. I took a break on filming because I just felt like it was getting kind of redundant, just constantly bringing stuff out. And so let me show you the progress I've made so far. A few more things over here. I got the cans out from down there. This big old thing, that's got some baking soda spilled in there. This like red thing, the baking soda spilled in there, and so I just need to wipe it out, and I'm gonna actually just take it out and take it downstairs to the basement because it's something that I don't use very often. It's so huge, so no purpose in it being up here and taking up space. Okay, I wanted to show you this side over here because I'm not gonna take everything out from over here. I'm just going to try and organize. Like I want my appliances to go here. So like my crock pots, I should say, I have two. I want my crock pots to go over there, and the blender can stay, but I want to move it up.
I'm falling hopelessly in love with you.
dreams, living in my 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 dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
Now, as you can see, all over the place now. All right, I think I'm gonna start by going through the stuff and seeing what's trash and what's not.
Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
Okay, you guys, so I'm actually about finished, except we're gonna organize these cans over here and that'll be it. And I'll show you around how I kind of organized it without having bins and all that kind of stuff. So
Into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight.
okay, so I'm finally done. So let me give you the grand reveal. Okay, so I'll kind of talk you through my mindset, I guess, of how I did this. So I did the cleaning products, garbage bags up top. This is kind of like my baking area. So I have powdered sugar, baking powder, some sprinkles. Back here is like the cookie icing, extracts, cooking sprays, caramel, chocolate chips, Heath chips, all that. This is condiments, oil, that kind of thing, salad dressing. This is more of, I don't even know, grains, I guess. So like oatmeal, breadcrumbs, the whatever, crispy fried onions, grits, and then this is like granola. This is more baking, so cake mix, corn muffin mix, that flour, and then the sugar over there, and then this is pastas over here, beans right here, rice right here, and then this is stuff that I didn't really know where to put it. So cookie mix, funnel cake mix, cereal, pasta sauce over there, noodles, like I said, different, these are, you know, individual cups, and then the other little pastas, macaroni. These are my tuna packets I like to eat sometimes for lunch. And then this is like different seasonings, marinades, that type of thing. This is wrap, cling wrap. These little cups I put in lunches with condiments and stuff in it for the kids. Plastic forks, that kind of thing. Snacks, just random snacks. Paper plates, things that won't fit on the shelf, like the big box of Quaker Oats and a few other snacks down there. I ended up putting all the cans right here, and I kind of organized it by like fruit or fruit toppings, and then vegetables, soups, tuna, chilies over here on the end. And today's the day I'm doing my grocery order. So as you can see, I only have half of a loaf of bread, potatoes, onions, butters, so peanut butter, I think PB2, almond butter over there. And then over here I ended up putting all of my appliances like I wanted to do. So my blender, my stand mixer, my waffle maker. Those are just for like deviled eggs. I'm probably gonna take these out and put them downstairs because I only use them every so often. My rice cooker, crock pot, stock pot, air fryer, and then that's just a cake stand. So, wow, this took me hours upon hours to do, but I'm so glad I got it done. Again, you can definitely clean and organize and all of that without spending money, because I did not spend a dime organizing this pantry. So I'm so glad I got it done. Again, in the future, I'm definitely, now that I know what I have, I can kind of plan better as far as what I'm going to buy to organize it with like the pretty organizers and stuff. I'm wondering if I'm gonna wait until we fix these shelves. I shouldn't say fix, there's nothing wrong with them, but I want to get some wooden shelves up here as opposed to the wire shelving. I'd love to do some wallpaper, and I would love to hang a light fixture too, but who knows when that would happen. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you on my channel. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye.